to simplify this without using a calculator, a large number. Now, what can we do? Let's solve it. Solution. Now, let's observe. We have 489, 375, 489, 375, 489, 375. We have the same numbers repeating. So, let's take each of the numbers to mean an alphabet. Now, let's say 489 should be represented with X, okay? And then 375 should be represented with Y. It simply means in this case, we'll have S plus Y all raised to power 2 minus X minus Y all raised to power 2 over X times Y, right? Now, this can be expanded, S plus Y, we can expand it to be S plus Y, S plus Y, right? Which if we expand S times X, it will give us X squared plus 2X squared, XY plus Y squared. Now, how do we obtain this? If you expand this, you get the same thing. X times X is X squared, X times Y is XY, Y times X is XY, and Y times Y is Y squared. So XY plus XY will give us 2XY. Now, if we do the same for here, X minus Y all squared, it will still be X minus Y, X minus Y, right? Which if we expand will give us X squared minus 2XY plus Y squared. Okay, now this is what we are going to have, this and this. Okay, now we are going to replace it here and see what will happen. Now, still in brackets, we have X squared plus 2XY plus Y squared minus X squared minus 2XY plus Y squared divided by, this is X, Y. Okay, now we are going to open brackets. In opening the brackets, we have a minus sign here. So this minus sign is going to affect each of what we have here. So we have X squared plus 2XY plus Y squared. This becomes minus X squared, minus times minus, plus 2XY, minus times plus, minus Y squared, divided by XY. Now, it's getting easier. Now, we are going to collect like terms by rearranging. So, we have X squared, then minus X squared, followed by 2XY plus 2XY, followed by plus Y squared minus Y squared, divided by XY. Now, if you observe, while we are doing this, is the signs before the number, okay, will be the sign the number will carry when we rearrange them. That is why here we don't have plus, instead we have minus, because this minus belongs to X squared. So when we rearrange X squared, we should as well carry the minus sign. So X squared minus X, this is 0. We have this and this, so we write it out. 2XY plus 2XY. Then Y squared minus Y squared, this is as well 0 over XY. So we have 2XY plus 2XY will give us what? 4XY over XY. Now in this case, XY can divide XY. Therefore, our answer is 4. That is option A. Did you learn? Like, subscribe, comment. Bye.